Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Postman to use with our bulk operation APIs. First of all, download and import both environment and collections. Hit on import, go into the file and folders where you saved the collections and environments previously. Select environments, please ensure you already have all needed information to set up the Postman correctly. In this case, you can raise a ticket X for a client ID, a client secret that combined are going to make the base 64 needed for generating your token. The portfolio ID, if you don't know your portfolio ID. In this case, you can specify which API you're going to be using. In this case, we're going to test the bulk operations API. So we're going to need the base 64 API to generate the token, the file URL, the job URL, which environment you're going to be using. In this case, is going to be prod, and the portfolio ID. Right now, we are going to import the bulk operations collections. Hit on import again. Go into the same folder where you saved your collection. Select the right collection. When checking the entire collections, you're going to be able to see a lot of documentation already placed in there. Please refer any doubts inside those informations. Now let's set up the bulk operations environment. With all the information already in hand, you can start to place those into the right fields. First of all, you need to generate the base 64 informations. You can go to base 64 encode and place your client ID and client secrets. Hit on encode, and the page will generate a base 64 for you. Place that information to the value for base 64. All other informations like the file URL as report.api.nnetiot.com, the job URL, utility.api.nnetiot.com, your portfolio ID, and the environment will be set as prod. So we already set up your environment for bulk operations API. Now let's generate the token that's going to be used into all other operations. Go into collections, post get token, ensure that your environment is set up as prod. Go and click on send button, and Postman will generate the access token for you. So now let's start to work with the bulk operations APIs. Let's go into the next steps and create file to start the bulk operation. In this case, I'm going to be using the ICC attribute job. Every title should be unique for every single operation. So I'm going to be using ICC attribute bulk operations friendly name 10. Please ensure you're already writing down the name of the jobs and the file dates correctly. Hit on send. And the file was created successfully. Next step, go to get upload file. Hit on send. And the file has been already sent to the system. Next step, we need to upload a file, a CSV file in this case because it's selected as one. We need to upload that file into the API. If you have any doubts or any concerns, always consult the documentation. all links to CSV files needed are inserted into the bulk operations collections. So in this case, I'm going to be updating a friendly name for a specific SIM card. So click on it, download the file, and change all informations needed. In this case, I'm going to be using the SIM card and updating the name for demo API 1. When you save your document, please ensure it's going to be saved as UTF-8, delimited. There's no need to close out the file. Go to post upload file. Select your specific file. Don't forget to hit the send button. The file has been uploaded. Right now, the next step is to create a job. Go to post job create. The name of the job always need to be one of these. You can rename it, you can change it. So the job is based on the name of the job. So the title can be anything different. Just ensure you're choosing the right time when the job date is going to be created and hit on send. So the job has been created. Next step is going to patch. We need to queue this job into the line. So the status now is set as queued. So now let's see the status of the job. It's still showing as queued. It might take a few minutes to get completed. So right now the status is shown as in progress. Let's update the status to see if it got completed. So we have the result showing as completed. So if you go into your sign platform, let's show the status of that specific SIM card. As you can see, it was set up previously as Demo API. Let's confirm if the name has been changed to Demo API 1. So job has been completed.